If you're being desperate and you're constantly asking yourself that where is my desire, and you're constantly worrying about it, and it's just very hard for you to keep patience, this video is for you. This week a lot of people reach out to me and they had this one question that I have been affirming, visualizing, doing all of that from last 1 month. Where is my desire, when my desire is going to come, and how much time I have to affirm until I start seeing the result in the 3D. Manifestation one-on-one. Whatever you want, you already have it. There is a version out there in the quantum field who already got whatever you want. You just have to align yourself with that version. That's all you have to do. So whatever desire it is, if it's a relationship, that person is obsessed with you. You are in a happy relationship with them. If it's good, sexy shape, you are that already. Okay, you are a diva, you are magnetic, everyone is attracted to you. You are that person. Let's say you want this. I know, very bad example, just bear with me. You want this, I want this, and I already have it. So would I be questioning the 3D? Would I be asking people about, when my manifestation is going to come? Would I be questioning myself, bhai itna to kar rahi hu, kab aayegi meri manifestation? No, because I already have it. I already have this color. Sorry. So you have your manifestation right now. You are that person right now. Whatever you identify yourself with, you become that. So how would you think, feel, act, behave if you already got your desire? Would you be stressed? Would you be worried that where is it? No, absolutely not, because you already have it. I already have it. So why would I be worried? Why would I be panicking then when it's gonna come? So think from a version who already got whatever he or she wants, and see how fast your manifestations come to you. So few of you asked me that how I manifest. So it's very easy. So let's talk about that. Number one, I get very clear on whatever it is that I want. If we are trying to manifest money, I get very clear on how much money exactly, till when. Okay. Second, I turn my desire into an affirmation, very sweet, on-point affirmation. So let's say if I want to make 50,000 rupees per month, my affirmation would be I have 50,000 rupees, or it would be I easily make 50,000 rupees per month. Number third, I affirm it like crazy. We are not stopping, okay? Robotic affirmations, baby. Like, we are just doing it. So affirmations are just thoughts. So just thinking about that I already have that much amount. That's it. All you have to do is think, okay? If you want to say it out loud, whatever feels best, you do that. Number fourth, I listen to subliminals and sleep tape affirmations. I just simply record myself and listen to it, sleep with it, use subliminals. I'm gonna link some channels down there which I really trust, so you can also use them. And that's all I do. I just persist and I stay loyal to one story. I'm not like कि मेरे पास अभी है desire, अभी नहीं है. मेरे पास है, and that's my only reality. I always persist very hard on that, and then I easily get it. And I also have this self-conception that I always get what I want. I worked on it, so that's another thing, that's another topic, but that's my whole routine. That's what I do, and you can just replicate it and get the results as well. It's that easy. You need to realize this, that movement is always happening. It's always taking place, even though if it's not visible. If you're doing the work, if you're putting in the work, एक भी ऐसा कर्मा नहीं होता है जो खाली जाता है. हर एक चीज़ का आपको फल मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Every single karma, every single thought. Okay, so movement is always and always happening. So you don't have to worry about ki, is it working or not. It is working. It is working. If you're thinking negatively, it is also working. So you need to be really conscious of your thoughts. That's all you have to do. You have to be really conscious of how you're thinking, how you're feeling. Okay, but thinking, yes, absolutely yes. Keep on affirming, keep on persisting, because that's what it's gonna give you your desire. And you don't have to worry about when you're gonna get your desire, because you already have it. You're gonna affirm or do anything from a version who already have their desire. So how would they think, feel and act? It's that simple. I know this video helped you, so please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. If you have any doubts or if you are interested in one-on-one coaching, do DM me on Instagram, and I would love to have a conversation with you. You're so loved and blessed, and I upload videos every Tuesday and Saturday, so we'll see you next Saturday. I love you all so much. Bye-bye.